perfect LinkedIn photo is very important for you if you want to stand out in the competition, get noticed, and land your dream job or maybe clients if you're doing a business. But I have seen that the problem with most of the people is they're using their selfies, outdated photos, or maybe blurred photos on their LinkedIn profile. Hence, they're not getting good clicks, they're not getting noticed, and their first impression is not good. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step within just 5 minutes, like how you can convert your old looking photo or maybe selfie into a professional looking LinkedIn image, which you can easily post on your LinkedIn profile to get more clicks, to get noticed, and your profile can actually stand out in the competition. So I'll explain you each and everything step by step, so you can also do this with your photo right after watching this video with the help of free tool. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I am on my laptop right now, and from here I have selected one of my old photo which I just took randomly on an airport, and in this photo you can see this is a selfie and I am wearing a casual cloth, not facing the camera, and even wear my backpack. So now we will going to convert this photo into a professional looking LinkedIn photo in which we can make the pose of that photo front facing like it should look into the camera, remove that backpack, change the cloth, and even replace the background to an office. So you can use that photo on LinkedIn or maybe in your resume to get noticed or stand out, right? So after selecting that photo, you have to copy that photo and then you have to go on ChatGPT. No worries, if you are not having premium ChatGPT, you can still do it in your free version and it will work same like that. So after copying and pasting your any photo, you have to write a prompt, generate a high quality close-up image for LinkedIn featuring this character as a professional corporate employee in a coat and background in office. And make sure not to change the face of this character. So this is the exact command prompt you have to put, or if you want to make any changes, like you want to remove glasses or you want to change the cloth or define the color of the cloth, you can add by yourself. So after putting that command, when you click on run, so in less than 1 minute, you can see that ChatGPT image generation tool will basically convert your image into a professional looking image. And if you open that image, so you can see that this is the same character with the same hairstyle, same skin tone, same glasses, facing the camera, having office in the background, and wearing a professional clothes. So now I think this profile picture is perfect for LinkedIn and I can use it easily to get more clicks, to get noticed and stand out and land my dream job or client. So after watching this video, go there and do the same with your LinkedIn photo. And if you want to learn more about AI, like how you can use AI in your daily life to make your tasks easier, to smooth your processes, and to make some passive income, so I 100% recommend you to watch my other videos in the same playlist so you can learn the AI and you can make your life easier and get freedom. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.